My name's Ashley and I'm the founder and owner and designer of BBDesigns. Our brand focuses on creating sustainable interiors by producing furniture, wall art panelling, lighting and accessories, all made from reclaimed materials and non-toxic finishes. Today I want to talk about how we take reclaimed materials and turn them into luxurious, biophilic designed furniture and accessories. So basically we take something like this and turn it into something like this. Why are we doing this? The main reason is sustainability. We want to make sure that the wood that's been wasted in society doesn't end up into landfill. We're thinking about the carbon emissions that are emitted when it goes to landfill, the whole life cycle of chopping down a tree and the wood not being fully utilised for the full length of its life. Every product that we design has sustainability at heart. That's why we only use non-toxic, water-based and plant-based finishes. There's really no need to be using extremely harsh finishes that are cheaper to produce at the cost of the environment. Everything that we design here has a purpose. Functionality is key, along with its aesthetic. It has to look good, it has to feel good, and be in the workplace or any other place. Everything we do here is finished in non-toxic finishes. That means they are water-based, mostly chemical-free, and plant-based. There are a lot of chemicals that are being spilled into our oceans and rivers due to the manufacturing of these harsh chemical products. The best thing about being here and working with reclaimed materials and non-toxic finishes is that we're able to be environmentally friendly and apply these products into an industry that's full of non-regenerative materials. A lot of the products that we see today in interior design don't tend to think about sustainability, including where the materials sourced from, what kinds of materials they're using, how those materials are made, and those choices can have a detrimental environmental impact worldwide. So it's very important, I think, and feel in interior design that we are picking products where we can in the applications we can pick them in that are truly environmentally friendly and apply to regulations. Besides reutilising reclaimed materials, we are locally sourcing them, we are locally making them and employing local people, reducing our carbon footprint further. We certainly feel by being creative, you can really think outside the box on how you can become more sustainable in designing interiors, furniture and accessories. Here at BBDesigns, we really believe that there is a space in interior design for people like us who produce purely sustainable items, furniture and interior accessories, designer wall panelling, pretty much anything you can think of that you can make out of wood for an interior, we could probably do it. It's all about being resourceful and thinking ethically about what you're choosing and specifying as an interior designer. Things to consider when being an interior designer: who you're sourcing, are they locally based? What materials are they using? What finishes are they using? Are the people who they're employing being looked after? These are all things that you can consider, which will help the environmental impact of your overall design, such as the carbon footprint of that. If you think about how many times someone has to travel up and down a country to provide something, or if it comes from China, for example, how long that flight takes and all the carbon emissions that come along with it. Some materials that you might source or pick have heavy environmental impact, such as MDF. It's full of formaldehyde, which is really dangerous for our health. And for the environment, it's also not recyclable. Where you can, I would encourage you to pick sustainably sourced products for your interiors. Something like what we create. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it's been really helpful. I hope you can enjoy what we do, and I wish you every success in your future.